Welcome guys in this channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a house in DIALux Evo. Okay, it means how to do construction part step by step from zero to finish. Now open your DIALux Evo and then from here insert your cut drawing. So I'm going to insert this my cut drawing. Click to open. Okay, this is the plan for the level 1. So yeah, and now let's import the plan for the second floor. So you can import your cut drawing like this. Okay, so now I imported level 1 and level 2 the plan, and you have to be sure that it should be the exact and the same coordination that not to work properly. Okay, so let's work on level 1. This is the plan for the level 1, and now from here I'm going to create the building, draw new building. Okay, and then let's start from this corner. And finish, right click and finish. Okay, so let's see in 3D. This is a building for the first floor. So from here you can change the height of the story or this building. So this is the floor thickness, 20 centimeter, and this from here you can rename. So let's rename to level 1. Okay, so this is the coordinate of this building. Okay, so let's create the second floor again as the same of the first floor. Okay, so this is the level 2, so let's change the name of this to level 2. So from here let's change the story height. Okay, so let's see in 3D. As you can see, it's in the same position. So now I'm going to change to let's move the position of the second floor. So click to the select to this building and then change the position from like this. Okay, and now I'm going to work on first floor and create each room. So again from here draw a new indoor counter. So start from this corner to here, to in here, and then in here, right click and close polygon. Okay, so this room 1. So let's see in 3D. It's like this. We create the space or room for our building. And this is for the first floor. So the second floor as well. Room number 5 and room number 6, and this for the bathroom, room number 7. Later I will change the room name. I will rename this. Okay, and this is the corridor for the second floor. Okay, this how looks like this second floor. So now you can change the material, the outside material, like you want to paint, or like what you call, like change the material for the outside. From here, this is the this color, so I'm going to change the outside, the color of this building. So let's change this as well, and it's for the first floor or first level. Let's make all of them the same. Okay, and go to second floor as well. I am going to change the outside, the color of the building. Okay, so now I'm going to change the material or paint the inside the building. So follow this. So from here I'm going to find something, material color, a white color. Let's apply this and then close, and then this the mix in color, and then apply material and click to the edge part of this building. Continue up to edge. So let's for the first floor. As for the second floor, now change all the color, or okay, you can press the control and then change the color. Okay, as hold the control key. Okay, so now I'm going to put the door and window. So there is different kind of the door, so let's choose this one, and this is the dimension of the door: 2 meter high, 1 meter width, and this is the width, the depth. And then draw new building opening, and also you can put on positions. Okay, if you put, just click, it will put in here. So if you click to the line the inside, it will open the inside. If you click to the outside line, it will open to outside. So let's see, I'll show you. As you can see, this open the inside, and this one is open to the outside. Okay, let's go again to the plan. Let's delete this because I'm going to draw by myself. So let's draw from here to here, and then press the tab key and type the width of the door. Okay, so let's see in 3D, It's like that, and this open to inside. Okay, so this is the dimension, and now also you can change the dimension of the door from here again. If you change to like 2 meter, you can change this. As you can see, this I changed it to 2 meter, and this is the height of the building, and also you can change the deep. Okay, so let's look another door. So let's select this one and then draw. So I'm going to open this to inside. Okay, and a small one again, and here. Okay, so let's see. This looks like that. Yeah, this both of them open to inside, and now from here you can change the dimension if you want to, the height of this or the width. So I'm not going to change. Again, now the same method, you can change the or create the new door. If you select the door, and you can see the dimension in here. So let's draw one door for this room. Okay, and now I'm going to insert the window for this room. So let's find a window. Maybe this one. Select the window. Okay, and this the dimension, the height of the window, the weight of window, frame weight, and cell height. Okay, and then draw new building opening. Okay, from here to here, and if you press the tab key and type the weight of the window. So that's the window. From here I am going to change this to 2 meter. Okay, so another I'm not going to change. So let's see the window. It's like this. Okay, and now continue to drawing as the same method for the rest of them. It's like that. So I changed all of them. Okay, so let's do for the second floor as well. Create the window, the same method as I did in the first floor. It's easy. One in here, one in here. Okay, and one small window for this bathroom in here, 80 centimeters like this, and one for this bathroom. This is different. Okay, it looks like this. And now let's insert a door for the second floor, and this is the dimension. I'm not going to change because I'm going to draw. One and door in here. Okay, this is how to insert door and window and DIALux. Okay, and now I'm going to create a stair in here, and also put the chair and table, okay, and also the kitchen material, put like a table I need in here. So let's create something, a column like this. For first I'm going to create this assessment zone like this. So this floor, this the platform of this properties. So let's change this 1 meter high, and that's, so let's change to 0.01. okay, and again let's select this, and from here I'm going to change the material, then material, and from here indoor, and then floor, and then tile. Let's find something material. Let's select this one, apply, and then close. And from here you can change the size of the tile. So now this is the size 0 by 0 meter. So let's change to 0.6 meter to 0.6 meter, means 60 centimeter by 60 centimeter. Okay, so again let's see the in here the something material for the living room or the hall. For so let's select this something like this material, and then from here apply to all. So if you apply the material like that, it will select all of them. So let's just do one by one. So because I'm going to select different material for this room, because it's a bedroom. In this room it should be a carpet, something like this. So apply material, yeah, okay. So let's go to second floor. At the same first floor, you can change all the material for that. So now I'm going to insert something, a stair like this. Okay, I'm going to select this stair, and then place individual object. Okay, so let's put in here, and then let's move this, and then let's right click and scale. Let's change the scale from weight, and also again right click, and from here let's change the scale. Okay, this is the positioning of this stair. So let's say in 3D. So it's look like that. Oops, it's not correct. So let's change from here the height of this stair to 4 meter. Yeah, this is the same the wall. So let's select the stair for changing the material. Again pick material, So let's select the same material as a wall, or you can select like this and apply for the concrete for this stair. Hold the control key and change the material. Okay, it's a concrete like that. So it's a stair. So now I'm going to insert the bed, table and chair. For that it's also easy. From here click to object and then select, and then from here let's find from catalog let's find a table like round, let's put the place. Okay, and now from here I'm going to change the size of this table. Now let's change the arc. Okay, like this, 1.5 by 1.5, and this is the height of this table. So let's change to 1 meter. So let's see in 3D. It looks great. Yeah. Okay. You can change the material every time if you want to. So let's find from here a chair. Okay, I insert the chair like this, and from here change the quantity of the chair around the table, and from here you can rotate the chair. So let's also you can right click and rotate. Let's bring a sofa also, and let's put one in here and right click, rotate, and one more single sofa in here. Okay, and continue like this. Lemari in here and one bed in here. I'm going to insert, so that's easy. If you want to change the material for that, okay, this I changed the material of this lemari. Let's put a bookshelf in here, and let's change the okay, you can change the material if you want to. And okay, and now I'm going to select the assessment zone for the calculating the lighting. So I'm going to select this kitchen and change the name to kitchen, and now from here this the all edit, and then from here let's find the kitchen. This is kitchen. Select the kitchen, and as you can see this is the visual task 500 lakhs, and this is all the according to standard. So this is the height of this the work plan for this 80 centimeters. So I'm not going to change this. Okay, it's as default like this. So this is the position and rotation. I'm not going to change this. Okay, this is the assessment zone for the kitchen. So let's create for this room and change the name to room, and here from edit let's find the room. So let's restroom. That's the lux for that 100 lux, and as you can see for this floor plan, this is different with the kitchen. It's 40 centimeter. So this all according to the standard. I'm not going to change this. Let's change to the name of this area to hall, or you can say living room. You can add description in here. Let's go to edit, and then from here find the hall, or from here if let's change to the educational building, and from here let's find classroom, corridor. Yeah, it's like a corridor or hall or living room. Okay, the same as a living room, bedroom 100 lakhs, and this is the workplace. You can change or you can keep as default. So I'm going to change to 10 centimeter. So this is the assessment zone for the first floor, and let's go to the second floor to create assessment zone as the same as I did in the first floor. For the bedroom, and I change as the same as I did in the first floor. Okay, because all the bedroom is the same, and I'm not going to calculate differently. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to create the assessment zone for the stair. So let's draw a rectangular calculation object, one in here. So I need this assessment zone because one object to calculate the lux on the stair with different position and different angle. Okay, so from here you can change the rotation. So let's move this to the bottom. Okay, and let's scale this little bit like this, because I calculate in this surface for the stair. If I don't have this calculation object like that, I can calculate the lux for this stair. Okay, so I can copy from this elevation. So let's go to the plan, to the site plan, and now you can copy and let's paste, and let's move to in here. Okay, and now let's change the rotation. Let's change just minus. So let's go to this elevation and move this to the up. Okay, and now I create for this a stair, and let's create again calculation object for in here as well. So let's move a little bit. Let's move this little back. Okay, this is how to create a calculation object for the stair to calculate the lux. Okay, so now I'm going to create the ceiling for each room. Let's go to the site plan and then insert ceiling into room or draw new ceiling. So I'm going to draw new ceiling. I'm going to draw one ceiling for all the first floor. I'm not going to create different object. And finish, right click, then close. Okay, so this is the ceiling for the first floor. So if you select this, and then from here you can change the position. That's the ceiling width, ceiling thickness, and ceiling height. This is the active ceiling now. Okay, and the roof height is 4. And time you can change if you want. Okay, let's see from this elevation. You can see this, the ceiling is in here. I created the ceiling to put my light in the ceiling. Okay, so this the roof height 4 meters. There's a distance of shell to floor. It means distance between ceiling to the roof. Okay, and now distance between roof and ceiling is 50 centimeters. Okay, so I change. So now I'm going to cut a row for the stair from here. Because of the stair, you can cut like this. It is a rectangular cut. Okay, so finish. So let's see this elevation. As you can see, and now this is the position, and from here check this box and cut deep, select to 0.2 because I'm going to cut this only this roof for the first floor. Okay, you can see I cut the floor for second floor. Oops, I think I did a little mistake in here because I create a floor for the second floor and also a roof for the first floor. It should be 1, so as you can see there is I have 2, so it's not neat. Sorry, let's, so from here you can change. As you can see, this is the floor for the second floor and roof for the first floor. So I'm going to remove one of them because I don't need 2. Okay, and now let's say building 1, and let's change this the higher building 3 meters and 80 centimeters. Okay, so as you can see now let's change. Okay, let's see in 3D. Now it's open, and from stairs you can walk to the second floor. And now let's paint and fix this in here. Okay, let's, you can change the material. So this for the second floor, for creating the ceiling as well you can create. So let's use the insert ceiling, and then from here you can change the height of the ceiling. I use the second method, insert ceiling into a room like this. Let's put all ceiling in this room, and then change the height of the ceiling. Okay, so now I'm going to change all of them to 3.0, 3.5. okay, okay. So now I'm going to create the side and the balcony in here. So I'm going to create rectangular room element in here. So now I'm going to create a column in here first. Okay, so let's select this, and from here, as you can see, there is the width 30 centimeter, and this is the height of this column. So let's change to 3.8. okay, and let's again go to the side plan and copy this one and paste, and again copy and paste for this column like this, and put on the exact place. Okay, that's column. So now let's from here draw polygon, draw element. So let's start from here to here, and then and here. It's like a roof or floor for this balcony. You can get it by both of them. So this the setting of this, the weight, length and height. Okay, so let's go to this elevation, and from here you can see as well, and let's change to 0.2, the same thickness of the floor, and from here let's change the position to 3.8. okay, I forgot the first time to create with the building, so that's why I create now. So from here again let's change the material, and let's pick the material like this and the same color of the building. Okay, and for the column as well the same, pick material and then change the material for the column as well. Okay, or maybe you can change different, it's up to you. So let's again go to the first floor. So now I'm going to draw a rectangular polygon floor element up to you which one you want to choose. I'm going to create a small yard for in here or site. So this is the name site floor and this is the positioning. So let's see in this elevation, and let's change the position. If you want to change from here, you can change the position. So let's change to the minus 20 centimeter. Okay, so let's see in 3D, and then as well you can change the material. Select this element, and then from here material, let's find a material for this. So what, let's check the other, yeah, grace like that. Okay, that's the material around the building like this. Okay, and now I'm going to create a floor for the parking area, for parking the car. So draw polygon floor element, and then let's create a floor like this. This is a floor for the parking the car. Let's change the material like this. Okay, and now let's create draw rectangle room element. I'm going to create a wall in here for the balcony, and from here you can change the weight, length and height. So let's change the height of the length of this to 5 meter, or 5.2 meter maybe, yeah. I think maybe 5 meter 10 centimeter, and also you can adjust by right clicking and scale, and let's change the position. From here you can change the position to 4.8. okay, and this is the height of the wall. So let's change to 80 centimeter. So let's see in 3D, yeah, it's like this for this balcony. Okay, let's copy and paste in here, and then right click, scale, and fix, put on the place. So you can rotate from here. Let's move, right click and move, and scale, and then copy, paste and move, and right click, scale and adjust. Okay, this for the balcony. Now you can change the material as well. And this let's copy this column and paste one in here. So I copied this column for the around the building for the yard. So let's put this on the right position, and then I have to change the properties of this column, like the height of this column. So let's change to 1.8 meter, 1 meter and 80 centimeter. Okay, and now copy, paste. So in here let's scale this little bit bigger, and then one column in here and one in here. The plan was like that, that's why I follow the plan to create the same as the plan. Okay, so now again let's create a profile, something platform like this. Draw a rectangular room element for the wall around the building. This is how to create a building in DIALux Evo, and this is the end of this part. In the next part I will do the lighting of this building. Thanks for watching, and see you the lighting part.